The extended period of casinos has ended, yet the government has failed to move offshore casinos floating on the river Mandovi. While briefing the media on the cabinet meet, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has said that casinos will remain afloat on river Mandovi for an extension of another 6 months until and unless a new location is decided.
आम्ही कॅसिनो जे आसा हांचे खरें म्हणजे हे 6 म्हयन्याचो पिरियड ह्या एका सोंपतालो. अगेन वी हॅव गिवन द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द अनदर फॉर द 6 months and we can think over it. It's totally
subject to shifting of that का थंयच उरतले फुडले 6 म्हयने.
एक्चुअली तेजेर आमी ह्या कॅबिनेटान तेजेर डिस्कशन जाला की आमी फुडल्या 6 म्हयन्या पर्यंत तेजेर डिसिजनाचेर कितें तरी येतलें वॉट वी आर डुईंग एक्झॅक्टली एज अ पॉलिसी डिसिजन.
Meanwhile, Michael Lobo has said that one vessel will be shifted from the Mandovi river. However, a location is yet to be identified. The Raponkars have to be kept in mind while making the shift, said Lobo. Will this be the last extension for casinos? We'll have to find out.
About the casinos which are touching on the Mandovi side of the river on Penjim side. Mandovi river on Penjim side. So we are looking at alternate shifting of the ships on this side. So but captain of ports have to give the clearance to shift the vessels on the other side right now. So one vessel is going to get shifted very soon. For that, identification of the place is going on. In the next 4-5 days, I will give you all the place where it will be shifted. One vessel. Then remains 3. So we'll see one at a time. No, let one vessel be going first.
It will come in your constituency or Saligaon?
Saligaon and our constituency in between.
In between.
There is space that side. So, but we also have to see the fishermen, traditional fishermen, Raponkars. We cannot disturb them. Yeah, ते आम्ही already captain of portak आम्ही communication दिले हा. In this respect, communication is given. We have also told the Honorable Chief Minister that this extension of 6 months जे जाता पत्तून ते जावचे न्हू म्हणून आणि कितें आहा ते एकदां डिसिजन आमी घेवचें whether it is really that these ships can be shifted from river Mandovi or not, whether there is alternate place or not, whether that particular constituency MLA and Sarpanchas or those people are agreeing for these ships to come over there, whether EI environment impact assessment has been done or not. So एकदाच कितें आहा ते decision घेवचें in consultation with the ministers and MLAs about the casino vessels in the river Mandovi.
So in the first place, one vessel will go
in this side. That is decided upon.
Okay.
So till the casino policy of the state is finalized, that is these ships going back on the land.
Are we going to see casino policy soon?
That has to come. See, we have already told the Honorable Chief Minister and all the cabinet ministers have agreed today that some policy has to come out. And Honorable Chief Minister said in the next, before the expiry of this 6 months, we will do something about this. That every 6 months extension is not right.
So,
see, you cannot, when you give a license to anybody in the state of Goa, you cannot tell them that no, this is for 6 months. This is wrong. This is wrong policy. So this is being going on from the time of Manohar Parrikar's regime, then the Lakshmikant Parsekar's regime, and now I told him this is a different dispensation. We need to think positively in the interest of people investing in the state of Goa. And Chief Minister is also of the same opinion, but before the expiry of the next 6 months, we will definitely come out with something concrete. No giving extensions for 6 months. I feel that we have to give extension till the period of the casino policy being framed and coming out.
There is already a draft policy which says that
it is not finalized.
All the casinos will be shifted to MOPA.
See, MOPA, first we have to get environment clearance and Supreme Court decision which is pending on MOPA. Let it come out. Then this also draft policy will be finalized. Before we complete the next 6 months, what we have given extension today, definitely something will come out concrete. This chief minister is positive of investments coming into the state. We cannot tell the people who are investing money in Goa, we cannot tell them that this license is for only 6 months. We cannot tell that. So people have to have a positive mind when they are coming in Goa and investing
We
money.
can say this is the last extension.
Last extension.
Extension means definitely some policy will come out and they cannot be moved out just like that. Till that policy comes into action, means the land, MPDA land which is actually being kept for land casinos comes into reality, you cannot tell them to go. So there is no need of extending only for 6 months. The extension can be given for this particular period in one go, instead of it coming back to the cabinet again and again.
Madam, last